Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have kids, you know the importance of having things that are super durable. I can't tell you how many headsets that we have gone through. Well, this new pair that we've gotten from RORSOU is withstanding the test of all of the things that we'll go through as a headset. This is a wired headset that can be plugged into any device with an aux jack. The sound quality from the really generously sized earmuffs works great whether it's on a meeting or if they're using it for watching movies or music. The headset has a really generously sized cord, so that cord is 4 feet long, and because it's a tangle freestyle cord, it will go anywhere with them and there's plenty of room for moving around. It does have a button so that music or a movie could be paused, and the headset is completely foldable, so they easily store into a bag or just on the counter so that they're really avoiding any kind of trouble they can get into with kids. The headset is really durable, so we've been using it for well over 3 weeks, and my daughter will leave these out on the counter, she'll leave them on her dresser, on the floor, and they're withstanding the test of time as far as being a great headset that will be good and rugged for kids. I think that this headset is awesome because of that generous cord as well as the good sound quality, and if you need something like this, go with this pair. They will not let you down, and they'll withstand your kids. And that's my point of view.